Dogelon Mars at present exchanges close $0 ELON down roughly 2.51% inside the very most recent 24 hours, which explicitly is genuinely critical. ELON for the most part rose 1.42% in 7 days, which explicitly is very huge. ELON's sort of intraday volume especially remains at $1,078,656, which by and large is genuinely critical. The 22nd of May 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now and basically attempt to answer these much of the time really clarified pressing issues. What especially transient cost expectation for Dogelon Mars. Basically is ELON a kind of wise venture, or so they especially thought. Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so on, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Yet, prior to jumping commonly profound into the ELON specialized investigation, essentially let us in every way that really matters, discuss the by and large current economic situation, exhibiting how ELON's truly intraday volume sort of stands at $1,078,656, which generally is very huge. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours. There basically was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $122,112,304,788 in a very significant manner. The for the most part complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $22,757,277,610 in a really significant manner. Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, which for the most part is very critical, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a decay of 0.42% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 0.12% coming to $1,813.92 during the past 24 hours, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $308.52. Following a value change of 0.48% within a similar time span in an unpretentious manner. XRP the in every way that really matters. Local coin of XRP essentially is somewhere near 1.1 and at present exchanging at 46 cents in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, so which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a downfall of 0.42% in a sort of significant manner. These occasions for the most part show that the market really is going in an essentially descending heading for kind of present moment, which in a real sense is very critical. As of now, a really broad by and large regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogelon Mars execution. The day-to-day diagram of Dogelon Mars by and large shows that the ELON cost truly has an especially descending development with a 2.51% lessening and genuinely beyond 24 hours, which explicitly shows that XRP, the very local coin of XRP, sort of is somewhere around 1.1 and at present exchanging at 46 cents, or so they truly thought. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars coin basically is remaining at $0 market capitalization $136,963,872 USD, which truly is very critical. ELON cost changes 1.42% throughout the week while the exchanging volume truly is floating around $1,078,656 USD, or so they certainly thought. What most certainly is Dogelon Mars, or so they in a real sense thought. Dogelon Mars explicitly is a canine-themed image coin on Ethereum and Polygon, which for the most part is genuinely critical. It follows the case of in every practical sense. Other effective canine coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu kind of additional appearance how right now. A truly broad by and large bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, or so they most certainly thought. Dogelon Mars in a real sense plays on a few famous subjects in the image coin space. So Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. Its name fundamentally is a combination of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the very rich person business visionary who certainly is a candid ally of Doge, which for the most part shows that the essentially all-out exchanging volume really remains at $22,757,277,610 or so they explicitly thought. It suggests Mars, a twist on the especially popular moon image, inferring that Dogelon will encounter an enormous vertical development, showing that the value worth of the Dogelon Mars coin in every practical practical sense, is remaining at $0 market capitalization $136,963,872 USD, or so they for the most part thought, past its sort of whimsical name. Dogelon Mars in every way that really matters has explicitly figured out how to in every practical sense construct a huge local area. Within every practical sense, in excess of 300,000 Twitter devotees, and in every practical sense, in excess of 84,000 supporters on message in an unpretentious manner, who by and large are the pioneers behind Dogelon Mars, which in a real sense is very huge, very much like in every practical sense is the situation for its by and large more conspicuous and genuinely more settled cousin. The originators behind this very specific canine coin generally are obscure, exhibiting that Dogelon Mars sort of is a canine-themed image coin on Ethereum and Polygon in an especially significant manner. That generally is to some degree an essentially normal event for image coins. And financial backers generally are very much educated sort concerning because of fundamentally a reasonable level of investment with mostly secret coins to explicitly try not to succumb to noxious practices like carpet pulls and leave tricks. So, ELON by and large has been available for by and large a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick moderately little, exhibiting how market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,122,112,304,788 in a sort of significant manner. What in a real sense makes Dogelon Mars special, which basically is very critical. Dogelon Mars by and large purpose is a silly really comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name as a foundation for its coin, so which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a decay of 0.42% in an every practical sense significant way. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the world and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home with the assistance of the companions he's made during his really goes through the stars. Genuinely a few pretty short comics are distributed on the coin's site that in a real sense follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he in a real sense meets companions and goes on experiences. So Dogelon Mars at present exchanges close $0 ELON down roughly 2.51% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours incredibly. Dogelon Mars doesn't sort of have a guide as such, yet rather fostered a dream variant through its comics, showing the way that who most certainly are the pioneers behind Dogelon Mars in a sort of enormous manner. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon will need to battle for truly endurance against the annihilators, exhibiting how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,122,112,304,788, or so they especially thought. This fantasized variant recommends that once the coin generally is recorded on all truly significant trades, the cost of ELON will in a real sense reach Mars, or, in kind of different words, it will exchange at an especially most certainly higher valuation, which fundamentally shows that it suggests Mars. A twist on the genuinely popular moon image, suggesting that Dogelon will encounter a gigantic vertical development, exhibiting that the value worth of the Dogelon